Welcome to today's analysis, and of course, today is 10th of March 2026. So today we're actually looking at day trade. As a day trader, we are looking at what's going to happen today. So no, not general what's going to happen overall. So we're focusing on what we are expecting in today's market. But of course, before we go into the fundamentals, we still have to go to the daily fundamentals to see fundamentals that we are likely to see today. All right. So no one currently, there's no any major news today. If I'm not even from any other currency, you can see there's no any major news. All we have is the what's it called medium impact news, not the major impact news. So you can see that right here. So let's go straight to the fundamental, the technical aspects, where we actually marked some zone yesterday. We actually marked yesterday and said I'm waiting for a buy after this zone has been broken, taken, and they are waiting for a buy. I wait for a breakout, a test of that zone to be sure that the sellers are not able to move into this one, of which you can see already here. At the first four candle close, it was rejected. Second four candle was rejected. So that means this current one may still expect to be rejected, closing what is it called bullish for me to go long on that. So let's go 15-minute chart. Let's see what really is going on. All right. So in the 15-minute chart, now if this actually closes bullish, this is going to be my entry. I'm buying it right here. If this closes bullish, so let's say somewhere around above, a little above this. I'm trying to move this a little higher. Okay, let me just use this a little above this. Hopefully it closes there. Then my stop loss is gonna be below this. Ah God. Seems this is it from trading view? Perfect. Good. So then my take profit is minimum of 1:2 risk to reward ratio. Alright, so this is my entry for GBPUSD. Alright, so let's go to the BTCUSD. Alright. So here is BTCUSD, of which you actually went long on B. We are currently still long on BTCUSD and also on gold. But on BTCUSD this way we actually took, I think yesterday, I remember I said I wait for a breakout, then wait to retest it. I think I went long somewhere around here. So I think my stop loss is still here currently. So I'm expecting that to still continue. But from what actually when I saw this pullback, I felt I should enter again, but then I said there's no need for that. But then that's gone already. So let's see if this is gonna hold for us to continue going long. So currently I'm still in a buy and my stop loss is still right below this plate because this actually entered. So after this breakout, I waited for a test, but then this moving to this, I saw it again breaking and telling me that the BS were not able to go below this, so I have to go long right here, putting stop loss there. And of course, my take profit is 1:2. I think somewhere around here, so I'm still recording the trade. Now, if you really want to join the trade, the problem now is that the opportunity for you to join? Definitely yes. Why? Because you can see these two double top that were actually both like it was confirmed there as actually a new support level. So let's see if this retest is not gonna break below this. If it doesn't break below, you see it start moving bullish again. That means you can actually go long once again. Of course, stop loss is gonna be below this rejection. Then take can target your 1:2 ratio or more, depending on your perspective or what you say. So that's for the BTC USD. Alright, so let's go to XAU or what you call gold. Alright, so let's use for the previous markings. I think I can know where I actually entered the market for. I think market ending was somewhere around that, somewhere around here. Yeah, that's where I entered from. So somewhere around here. After this, then I saw this spike, I saw this ejection. So when this actually happened, double top and continue moving, that's why I entered somewhere around here. Then my take profits, I didn't really put the profits there. So I feel like this actually gets, I still expect to actually see breakouts, it test this for me to continue going long. So I'm still expecting this to see breakout of this. So if you want to go, you can't go in right now. So which would actually break out of this, it tells this for me to for you to go long. I repeat, which for a breakout of this, pulling back, getting injected, and start moving bullish again for it to go long. All right, so that's it. That brings to the end of today's analysis. And just in case you're not familiar with the broker I'm using, the broker I'm currently using is actually a Naira broker in Nigeria. It's actually available to only Nigeria, available just in Nigeria. And of course, they have offices in Nigeria. So you can check the description. I believe it a link to the broker. All you need to do is just to visit any of their branches with a live account to prove that you are actually registered with them, and that is all you need to do. And yes, it's to fund it also. You can also fund it so that they'll be sure you're ready to start trading with them. Of course, you have access to any of their live classes. They have classes that I think they have in Port Harcourt here, they have in Lagos, they have at Abuja, they have at Kaduna, they have at Ibadan, and I think some other places too. So just check online. The name is Rally. You can just go online, type Rally, they'll show you their offices. So check for their office that is actually closest to you, and you're free to attend. Alright, that said, I wish you a profitable day trader. Please ensure you stay safe, you trade safe, and don't risk more than you can afford to lose.